easier said than done. But marketing to me is a little bit like the medical profession. And this is not something we talk about often as marketers. But if I had a torn ACL, I wouldn't go to a heart surgeon, right? So as a CEO, figure out what problem you're diagnosing and then find the professional that can treat that problem effectively. Now, I used to work for a guy called Richard Branson. I spent 10 years of my career working for Virgin. So many of your listeners will probably know this entrepreneur. He's pretty successful and well known. And he had many really good skills, but chief amongst them was self-awareness. He knew what he was good at, but he also knew what he was not so good at. So he would have this saying of hire smart people and then get out their way. So after the CEO has hired the right person, the next thing I want her to do is to get out the way.
Right. Yeah.
Loosen the reins and let this person that you've brought on board get on with the job. Now, that is incumbent on the fractional CMO to communicate effectively so that they know what job it is that you're doing and that they can feel confident that you're doing that effectively. So those are my first two things.